You gotta use small game right now.
Okay.
You can show that too, but you gotta show real.
Okay.
Big, huh? You can throw, but throw along the edge. Don't throw on the reef. Don't throw on the reef. Throw on the edge.
Okay. My lure is floating though.
Yeah, but you don't want to throw on the. You don't want to throw on the reef. That thing might. Oh, your reel's so funny. What are you using? Oh, using it. You can show a little bit on the reef, but it's just kind of.
You okay? You okay? I'll dodge her.
You can be safe. No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh!
Hanapa'a! Oh, it's a big one!
Is it?
No. Stuck.
Are you serious?
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, I thought it was a big one. I thought.
Did it come off one?
Yeah.
Hang on, this is not going to be our fishing ground, man. We need to head it on. Cut.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nikki, where's your other kind?
Oh, you
Where's
know
your lure?
why? The thing is inside this eye.
Where's your lure?
Main line was stuck behind it.
Oh, the main line.
Inside the eye of the...
So what, is the line off free? Huh?
I'm gonna put mine right next to yours, Tad, so we look like a little school.
Oh, Daddy, all excited but nothing.
I think you have the hot hand today, Auntie.
Son of a gun.
I think you're gonna be the lucky one. Nice day.
Woo! Nikki, put your pole on the side.
Oh, who's gonna be the lucky one? Me leading the pack.
Okay, so now you don't get throw on the reef. You gotta throw along the edge of the reef, huh? Closest to the edge without going on. Oh, you can see, Nikki, the edge.
Yep, I'm throwing along it.
Just gotta watch out, but I mean, I still see water on the reef, so what?
Hanapa'a? Oh, nice!
Oh,
Must be a small one.
oh, jumping line.
Hawaii. I like people, I like people.
Wait, it's not in the boat yet.
Oh, good size on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, heavy bugger.
Nice, that's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Got it?
Something bigger than that.
Thank you.
So that's a,
Hon, can you?
Hey, I cannot. It weighs to you. I cannot be paying attention to you guys.
I got you. This guy has, I love the smell of fish when they're fresh. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you got your... first fish!
Yeah!
Never fail.
Hey, show me some of the show me some of the cool.
Oh, yeah,
Watch
okay.
out, watch out, watch out! The spike on the bottom.
That guy.
Dangerous. Yeah, the spike on the bottom. Cool. I'm excited to get caught from that.
Wow, that's a good size. Skunk off.
Good for sashimi.
Good for sashimi and good for making lures. Woo! All right, I gotta get on the board here.
Why did he fish jumping?
Okay, Nick is game on. Here we go. That's why I like having multiple sizes of whopper plopper, because they all make a different sound.
Yeah, it does. Okay, last cast. Gotta turn around, man. Oh, you don't bite. You guys on your own, man. You cannot drive off to the beach.
Cool.
Shit, look at this big. That's where the shallow spots stay.
Oh!
No! Oh! That was so awesome! That thing ran.
Holy shit!
Oh, you spit!
Oh! That thing ran like so fast.
I was just hitting that. Dad, come on, bring it up. Hot fish. Oh, for me. So on the bottom.
That was so cool.
It's on the surface like this. Screaming inside.
Yeah, that's what Auntie Lori is doing.
Rubber plopper was right next to yours. Why didn't it bite mine?
Yeah, the smaller they go for the easier one, huh? No! Oh! You look like a school, Tad. We're calling them in for your mom.
I know it.
So I tell the
That's the
kids-
one.
I tell the kids, what? You guys like catch fish or you guys like catch big fish?
This is the one though. Auntie Lori, you're on fire.
I told the kids, oh, you guys like to catch fish or you guys like to catch big fish? Scoot up parties. Kaden and Casey like catch, Kaden and Casey like catch big fish. And mine and Cody like catch small fish. Cody, you know like you can get.
You're kind of close.
No, the closer you are, the better it is, yo. No, that kind is better. And if you stay up there, that thing starts breaking. Oh, I can't believe how much bubble that
You're just gonna get one big one, Tad. Oh my gosh! Auntie!
Oh! I gotta know how to fish!
Catch a release, catch a release.
Oh, big baby!
Good fight on that rod.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. That's the one Tad was using, same one.
Bite again.
Oh my gosh!
3. Come on.
Auntie.
Oh, you did this. This guy whipped it too. Everybody know the same spot.
Uncle, how do you make those lures?
Which one?
The clear one with the
Oh, with the kind, silicone?
just from the hardware store?
Yeah. I show you all. The only problem with that is it's not the kind you can hook onto your hook.
That's okay.
You gotta put the hook inside the silicone when it's wet.
Yeah.
Takes time though. My stuff went broke. What? My net went broke. Bring it about.
Yeah, screw the net.
Oh, shit. My net went broke.
He said hurry up.
Hey, Patty boy.
Cut the
That's a nice oil.
small one.
7th fastest fish in the world.
Yeah?
Yeah. 1 mile per hour. 1 mile per hour slower than a tuna. I know, huh? 7th fastest
Hey, we
fish.
get bait now. Now we can still all night.
That's why I want one of those so bad. I want to say I caught one of those.
Okay.
Okay, let me inspect this rig. Okay, so it's a little... My leader's too long, or my ankle. So basically the bait's just sitting on the bottom.
Yeah. The oil eat crab, huh? They
Oh.
eat crustaceans, shrimp, crab, like that.
Man, so I'm dunking all wrong then
Yeah,
with my oil setup.
Waiting the line. Waiting the line.
Yeah, yeah.
Nikki, no worries.
So you wet the line before you cast?
Yeah, but still the bottom is drier, so when it gets to the end, you're still gonna burn your finger. But initially, at least I'm not gonna burn my finger.
Okay. Oh,
you just put your finger over here.
Why don't you just
flip
put
this.
the
You do that so it doesn't
No.
burn?
Yeah. Which one? This one?
No, this one.
Huh?
The lead was so close to the tip of that ball. Like probably 6 inches away.
Yeah, I know.
So what are you doing right now?
Nothing. I just wet the line, so not get
Oh.
your photo without burning my finger.
Got it.
Sometimes they put water. Before, like when we stay on land, we pour water on top.
Okay.
Because every time you throw it, the lead gets stuck, and then you gotta go cut your line. Ganyan. Isa no can show that follow. Oh, that wheel.
Oh my god.
What a
Yeah.
mess. What a mess.
Fish cakes.
Huh?
Fish cakes.
No, that's bait, bro. I'm gonna make bait if I run out of the pillow.
Hey, that's pretty good.
What?
Pretty good fillet job.
You need bait?
I would eat that.
Eat it! Hey. You videoing me?
So what is it? You put it through the head or the...
Yeah, through the skull. Like
So
that.
what if you were using live bait? Do you ever dunk with live bait?
You poke, if you use live bait, if it's big enough, you poke them through the nose like this, sideways.
Sideways?
But you gotta use smaller hook. Use big hook like that. The thing will poke the nose up.
Come on, put that pole down.
That's it.
Oh, now it's going.
Yeah, cause but you know when the thing has a lot of slack,
Yeah.
then get plenty of freewheeling line. So then when it hits the water, it doesn't automatically pull line.
Oh,
You gotta pick up the slack first. So I had too much slack when I threw it.
Oh.
Oh, I know. Oh, the frick a swallow! You see, if you had regular bait, guaranteed. Okay, oh, this gonna be good steam, bro.
Dinner.
This is dinner. You don't come dinner to our house. For the swallow too.
That's pretty big for a towel.
Top it. Oh,
Top
this is
it,
tall.
oh.
No, this is tall. This is tall. Hey, you cool there, you know the fish.
Put it in the cooler.
Very good.
Yeah. Variety bag. Nice cast. Auntie Laura, you made these?
I bought the chicken and stuff, but I made the egg and I fried the sausage. But
Mmm.
On a bikini.
That is some good fishing food. That's bait for Nikki. That's how you catch the Nick fish right there. That's the bait for the Nick fish. Yum. Sausage, egg, squid, and chicken. Num num. Num num.